Hello, hello, what's going on, you guys? It's Jessica. I've lost my voice completely, so bear with. I got some treats today in the mail. So, one's from Beachbody and one's from Prove It. So, I'm gonna unbox what I got. Got some treats, so here's it goes. Here's the Beachbody one. Got some portion control, you fix the portions. You get your trusty portion containers. You get a Ultimate Portion Fix Daily Logbook and the Fix Mate Volume 2, which is the delicious recipes. And I got the Ultimate Portion Fix Workbook. Hello. Hi, Melissa. That was the Beachbody one. And I got my Keto Reboot, which is on sale. I think today's the final day for it. So if you're wanting to join me for the 60-day fast, here's what it looks like. It brings the three Keto Cam for better broths, which is bone broth. It brings the 4 Keto X Max and the 10 Signal OS capsules. So you get all that for the 60-hour reboot, which it's like a cleanse you do. It's super good for your body and stuff. Yeah, so here it is. That was the unboxing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Sorry my voice, but I'll see you. Bye, Melissa.